Good morning, students. Everyone, very good morning. Yes, I'm audible. Okay, last class we are discussing about pre-processing concept. Yes or no? And header file completed. Header file. No, no, only started. Now say this: how to create our own header files. Okay. Yes, everyone observe it, guys. I'm going to show you how to design our own websites. Means that is header file. First, open the program. Later, I'm going to write a program like this, which is function definition. And here only one message: welcome to pre-processor. Now bracket close. And there is another function also I'm designing. int sum of int x int y, return x plus y. Okay. Tell me, guys, in this example, there is any main function? Right now, we are having any main function? No. Why? Because means header file never comes with main. Why? It is an interview question. Okay. Why the header files never containing main function? Logic simple. In this program, st.h is what? Header file. Conio.h. Suppose st.h already having one main. Conio.h one main. And our program also having one. Then how many mains? 3. But there is a rule. We have to maintain only one main in entire program. Got it? There is a rule, international rule it is. One program have to maintain only one main function. But if it is having like this, total how many mains are there? 3. That means it is against the rule or not. And that's why header file never contains main. And now second interview question. Okay. Without main function, our program compiled or not? The HR is asking the question. Without the main, program compiled or not? Compiled. Yes, 100%. Because of compilation meaning, yesterday what I said. Only two things. One is checking the errors. Second one is source to binary. Here main is not required. For compilation, main not required. Conversion not required. Main is only for what purpose? Execution. Only for. That's why your answer should be what means. Without main, program compiled, but never executed. Okay. Without main function, program compiled, but not executed. See that, guys? I'm going to compile the program. Any warnings or errors? No warning, no error. Later, save this program, guys. For example, A. File name is some A. And one more important thing, stdio dot h. H indicates what? Conio dot h, math dot h, string dot h, dos dot h, graphics dot h. See that every header file ending with h or not, but it is not a rule. Okay, it is not a rule, guys. Okay, now you can add or you can end with anything, no obligation. You can end with anything dot c, dot cpp, dot h, anything. But then why they are giving h means easy to identify. Suppose when dot c is there, easy to recognize it is C file. When dot cpp is there, C++ file. When dot java is there, Java. Dot py is there, Python. And dot h is there, header file. But it is not a rule. For easy identification, they are giving like this. And that's why I'm doing one thing. Okay, I'm going to say with a.c. I said now, we can enter any name. See that, guys, file name is a.c or not? Visible there? A dot. Right now our header file name a.c. But dot java file not allowed. Remember, a.java not allowed. A.c allowed. A.cpp allowed. A.py allowed. txt allowed. dat allowed. Anything allowed. But java not allowed. Why? Because anybody? Anybody? Again interview question. Because of simple thing. In Java, how many letters are there? Java, how many letters? 4 na. maximum 3 allowed. That's why. Moreover, nothing. Okay. In dot C, 1 letter. Dot CPP, 3 letter. Dot TXT, 3 letter. But dot Java, maximum how many letters only allowed? It is the rule. And now compile the program. Any warning or error? But try to execute this, you are definitely getting error. Why? Because to execute the program main compulsory, but there is no main. But there is no main. Without main program, your program never. Okay, put the chair. No, don't. Just put the chairs enough. Put the chairs there. It is enough. Right. And now tell me, guys, without main program or program executed? Never. That's why see that undefined symbol main error coming or not. Very clearly saying, see that undefined symbol. It is another important interview question. Everybody remember that. Okay. Next, guys, file creation completed. Okay. Or header file created. Header file name is what? A dot. Now I want to call this one. See that fresh file I am going to create. Now the same procedure. Every day we are using hash include st.h. Now in place of that, a.c. That's it. Include meaning what I said? Add karo. Kisko add karna? A.c file ko add karo. Problem solved. Now a.c file content added. Already a.c having st.h conjugate h. They are also added to this file. And two functions also there. Welcome function, sum function. Both are added to this. Later calling mechanism. Main function. Now direct calling mechanism. See that, guys? First I am calling which function? It is function. And second function is sum function. Sum equal to percentage d. Sum of 10, 20. Program finish. Watch it, guys. Any warnings or errors? No warning, no error. Okay. And here watch it that 329 lines again. Why? Because this file is added now. And in that file, already st.h conjugate h is there. They also added now. That's why it is showing 329. Okay, save this file. B.c. Can I say it is source code? How to identify source code? Main. When main is there, source code. And in that program, main is there or not there? Header file. And now watch it. Answer is there or not? Finished. Welcome to preprocessor. Sum equal to that. And another interesting thing. Actually, where is the welcome code? A.c file. Welcome code. It is what, guys? Calling only. And that one having definition. And I said what? Whenever you are calling a function, program jump to definition. But here interesting thing, in one file calling is there, in one file definition is there. But no problem. See that jumped or not. Right now it is which file? Which file? B.c file. But where is the file code? Watch it. It is jumped or not, just watch it. Now we are calling welcome now. And welcome is what? Calling now. Now watch it. It is jumped to that program or not. It is which file, guys? A.c. See that what it is, guys? Means linked. It is linking or binding. How the header files linked means? It is the manner. Now see that. But now watch it. Welcome to processor. Function completed now. When function is closed, what happened? Again, it is going to the next statement after the calling. Na? But where is the calling? B.c. See that? Again jump to B.c. Very clear. And now again sum is there now. And where is the sum? A.c. Again see that jumped or not. And now sum completed. Again it is jumped to B.c. And answer is there or not. Finish. Okay. And next, we can declare the header files in two ways, I said. One is angular brackets, one is double. At the beginning already we have discussed that. Okay. We can declare the header file in two ways. One is angular bracket, one is the double quotation. You can use both, no problem. But In this example, when you are using angular bracket, you are getting error. See that, guys? You are going to get error or not? Okay, and the error is unable to open file, that is a.c. See that? Very clear error. How many errors? And read the error also. Unable to open include file. A dot. But when double quotations are given, no error at all. Okay, observe that, guys. When double quotations are there, any warning or error? Then why? Because. Okay, why? Because we are having this issue. Okay, why we are facing this issue? Now listen, when double quotations are given, the search conducted in TC folder. When angular bracket given, the search conducted in include folder. Okay, already in morning class also, in graphics class I have displayed where our file location, TC folder. Okay, no problem. Now otherwise, now watch it. Right now working location, TC. Right now the working location, but our file stored in, means our header file stored in include folder. How to prove it practically? See that? Very simple. Everybody take a look on this. It is a, okay, everybody observe it, guys. It is which folder? And now see this, in TC folder, my a.c file available or not? Same program, void welcome, int sum. Right now where they are? In a.c file. In a.c file, where it is? TC folder, no? Now watch it. Here one more folder is there. What it is? Now open the include folder. We are having all the header files. alloc.h, dos.h, graphics.h, okay, conio.h, string.h, stdio.h. Now tell me where the header files are? Where the header files are? Include folder. But where is my file? TC folder, no? And now what happened? Here, watch it. Suppose you are putting, everybody observe it. You are using double quotations. What I said? Searching in TC folder. In TC folder, a.c file available or not available? That's why no error. But angular brackets used. What it is happening? Include folder. But in include folder, a.c file is there. That's why it giving error or not. And then still you are having doubt. Nothing to worry. Now I am going to do one thing. I am copying the file. It is the a.c file now. Okay, I am going to. Okay, otherwise one more solution. Now when double quotation is given, it is giving what, guys? When double quotation is given, it is giving what, guys? Error, unable to open that file now. Because of in that location, that file is. Then mention the path where it is located. See that where it is available? e:/TC, no? Say yes or no? Now you are mentioning clear path. Search this file. Search for this file. In which location? e:/TC folder. Now see that any warning or error? Problem solved, no? Otherwise, there is another simple solution. Suppose without location I want to. Then copy the file. Then problem solved. A, copy to which folder? Include folder. Now I am going to paste here. See that a.file is there or not? In which folder? Now see that there is no path. No path. Previously it is giving error, no? But this time watch it. Any error? Any warning? Now based on this, where the search is conducted? Include folder. It is the difference between double quotations, angular bracket. Interview question. Interview question. What is the difference between angular brackets and double quotation? When angular brackets are there, include folder search. When double quotation, current folder. Current folder means, okay, it may be TC or Turbo C or anything. Based on your installation now. Okay. Right now in my system, where the C loaded? TC folder. That's why I have entered TC. In your system, Turbo C3 or TC, what it may be. How to know that? Very simple. It is a warning also shown. OS shell or dot shell. It is visible. It is the location name. That's all. It is, guys, how to create our own header file. Okay. Now we can call the sum function, welcome function at any time. Dennis Ritchie following the same technique. He created the printf and stored in st.h. Whenever printf required, we are adding which one? st.h. Same to same. Whenever you need the sum function, add the a.c. Problem solved. Now a.c is working or not? And sum function working, welcome also working. It is how they are making the header files, guys. Now it is about file inclusion directive. It is the way to create the header files. Okay. Next, second one is the macro substitution directive. Now what is called macro substitution directive? And one more important thing also. Actually, pre-processing first, compilation first. Pre-processing, that's why the name also pre. Before it is conducted, later compilation completed. Am I right? Means all the files functions added. Later compilation, later execution, linking everything. Okay, guys. Remember, generally when a C program created, okay, first we are going for what? In compilation, first stage is means all the header files added. All the header files are going to added to the program. Later, which file is created, guys? OBJ file created. Am I right? OBJ file created. Okay. Now what is happening? All the files are linking with the linker. Now the linker is going to link all the functions with each other. But when it is going to happen, when you are going to select the run option, when the run option selected to work with the function, first the function have to link with each other. No? Later, which file is created, guys? exe file. After linking all the functions, exe file generated. And this file passed to where, guys? And processor is giving the. It is what is happening when a C program created and executed internally. Okay. Whenever we are creating a C program, first which file created? .c file. In C compiler, first which file created? .c. In C++, .cpp. Later we are going to compilation. When compilation selected, first method is means those header files added, that's all. Those header files added or macros are going to substitute. What is macro? Later I'm going to show that. Later which file created? OBJ file created, which is having binary code. Which is having binary. That is .obj file. Later, when you are going to select the run, now the linker loaded. Okay, linker is going to link all the called functions with their definitions. Now, which file created? Executable means which is ready to execute. And that file passed to and processor passing the code and giving the. Is it clear now? It is what is happening when a C program created and executed. Okay, next watch it, guys. Here I want to show you one of the important thing. What is that means? In pre-processing time, what I am saying, this a.c file content added to this file. Come on. Yes, how to prove it? How to prove it practically? Watch it. Generally in C language, when a file is created, first .c file created. When second time saved, .backup file created. When compilation completed, .obj file created. When you are going to start execution, these are the default 4 files. Remember, when first time saved, when first time you are going to save the program, .c file created. When second time it is saved, okay, .bak backup file also created. Means what? Safety purpose. Generally, we are taking backup. Suppose you are having original file, means original mark list. Later you are taking Xerox copies or not? Why? Safety purpose. Xerox गया तो भी कोई problem नहीं. Okay. Original गया तो problem ना. That's why you are maintaining a Xerox copy or not? That Xerox copy is nothing but backup. Backup. Both are having same to same information. Next, after compilation, which file? OBJ. Okay. Compiled file means, okay, which is compiled. Later executed means linker file. Now this one is used to execute the code and giving the result. Clear? And along with that, we can create one more file, .i file, which is called intermediate file. Now, intermediate file is having what? Pre-processed code. Intermediate code containing pre-process means what? Just before also I said, in pre-processing what happened? All the header files macros added to the program now. How to watch it? How to get that? That is I file. In I file, the pre-processor program visible means header file code or functions, all this. See this, guys. I want to prove it fine. First, go to the OS shell and use one command called cpp. Okay, cpp. Our file name is what? B.c, second file. B.c file. Okay, our file name is B.c file. Now watch it, guys. Type B.i file. I'm going to open which file? I. And I file containing what I said? Pre-processed program. Na? If my explanation correct, it have to show main program along with that welcome program and some functions. Where the welcome and some? We are adding A.c na? That means in pre-processing time, what happened? That file content added na? Now B.c file have to, sorry, B.i file have to show what? A.c file code along with, watch it correct or not? Correct? Huh? I'm asking correct or not? Come on, guys. It is correct or not? Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, huh? 1 minute. Okay, compile the code. First compile it. Okay, na? Later execute it. Later, answer is okay, ga? Next, go to the OS shell. Which command I said? And file name is? Now type B.i. Very clear? Now, first which file is added, which content? Welcome. Later. Now, to the source code, A.c content added. And A.c is what? Header file. In our example, A.c is. And now tell me, adding header file first or compilation first? Header file or not? That's why it is a preprocessor program. That's why it is a. I think everybody clear? It is a practical proof. Right, guys? And now we are going for macro. What is called macro? Simple. Very simple. See this. I'm doing only one small change. Actually, here printf is there now. Can I use print p also? Yes. But what you have to declare? That's all. Now the p replaced with already discussed. Now it is a macro. It is called. Why? Because p chota wala, bada wala. When compared with printf, p chota because of one letter. But in printf, 6 letters are there. P is 1 letter. Printf is 6 letter. That means when compared with printf, p to chota hai na? And chota ko kya bolega? Mini, micro, macro. Or chota ko nano. Now tell me, when compared with it is chota na? That's why p is a macro. P is a. And now what happened? Whenever this program compiled, pre-processing happened na? At the time of pre-processing, p replaced with Why? Because hash is there. Hash indicates preprocessor. Hash indicates VIP program. VIP na? That's why which one is first? Hash define. And in hash define what said? P replaced with, because of P is the identifier. And printf is substitution. Listen, how the hash define working? Hash define, first what you have to mention? And later. Now in my example, P is the, now the P identified with, that means in execution time, P identifier substituted with. Now why it is substitution? Everybody knows substitution means replace. Substitution means, everybody knows. You are watching cricket matches na? Everybody. Sometimes Virat Kohli going to outside na? कहा जा रहा है? अनुष्का को मिलना, अनुष्का शर्मा को मिलके एक किस दे के एनर्जी आएगी ना, इसीलिए बाहर आ जा रहा है पागल. विराट कोहली आल्सो ह्यूमन बीइंग ना, and they need washroom na. Yes or no? When Virat Kohli is going, in place of Virat Kohli, Ravindra Jadeja is coming or not? Ravindra Jadeja को क्या बोलेगा? Substitute. Substitute. Yes or no? Now same thing. In our example, P is the Ajit Ravindra Jadeja, printf is the Virat Kohli. Yes or no? Right. Okay. How to prove it practically? Next, watch it. Another one also. In interview, they're asking one more question. Can we create any alternate for main function? Okay. Again, interview question. Can we create any alternate for? Yes. Simple. Hash define main. Now Kishore. Kishore is the alternate for main. Now Kishore replace it with main, guys. Now watch it. Kishore. Everybody watch it. Any error or warning? That means now I have created the alternate for main function. Who is that? And that's all. That means we can create the alternate or not. Yes. Okay. And now watch it, guys. One more important thing also I want to say. Hash define pi 3.14. And here watch it. Float r equal to suppose 10. Now sum completed. After that, printf area equal to percentage point to f pi into r. Circle area. Pi r square, no? Tell me already pi value. 3 point. And can I say pi is a macro, but r is a variable. Pi is a macro, r is a, and macro working at pre-processing time. Macro working at, but variable working at runtime. Listen, because of OS allocates the memory for variable. And when the memory allocated, when OS calling the program only. That means variable memory allocated at runtime, but preprocessor not runtime, at pre-processing time. If my explanation is correct, pi should be replaced with 3 point and not the r value, because of r is a variable and variable working at runtime now. Watch it. I want to prove it. Okay. Any warnings or errors? No. Again go to the OS shell and use the cpp b dot. Now watch it, guys. B dot. Watch it. My explanation correct or not? Main replaced. Kishore replaced with. Watch it. Kishore replaced with main or not? And P replaced with printf or not? And pi replaced with, but R replaced. Logic very clear now? It is pre-processing. Like this, pre-processing first happen, later execution. Is it clear? Everyone? It is called macro. It is called macro concept. Now tell me, pi Kishore, user defined or predefined macro? User defined or not? And now we can use the predefined macros. What are the predefined macros? Up to this, everyone clear? Up to this, everyone clear? First, what we have to start? Hash define. Later, first identifier. Later, substitution. Clear now? Right. Now watch it, guys. Small change I am going to do. Void. Again, I am going to use main function. And here small changes. Normal example I am going to use. Okay. Here predefined macro now. Watch it, guys. Printf. First I want to print the file name. Percentage. Yes. Underscore underscore file. Underscore underscore. And file should be in capital letter. Because of it is predefined. Predefined means we can't change, you know. That's why Dennis Rishi created with what name? Capital letter file. Now this file is going to print file name. Right now our file name is what? B.C. It is printed. Later watch it. Printf. Okay. Right now I want to print the date. Percentage yes. I want to print the time. Percentage yes. Now see that underscore underscore date underscore underscore time. That's all. Now it is going to print what? Date and not only that one, line number. Means currently in which line number we are having. Okay. Where the cursor is waiting. Now underscore underscore line. That's all, guys. Right now the cursor is waiting at which line, guys? Sixth line. Cursor is in sixth line now. See that, guys? Same to same information. Our file name is what? B.C. And today, March 4th, 2022. And time 11:48. Clear? Very clear. Like this, we can get the date and time, file name, line number also. These are called predefined macros. What they are called? Sorry. These are called predefined macros. Okay. Okay, guys. It is about macro. Now in interview, they're asking, what is a macro function? What is a macro function? Now watch it. What is called macro function? Everybody take a look on this. Now I'm going to write about macro functions. Simplified functions are called macro functions. That's all. Simplified functions are called macro function. Now you are getting doubt. Sir, what is simplified? When a function completed within one or two lines, then it is called simplified function. When a function completed within one or two lines, it is called simplified function. Okay. And now, what is the advantage of macro? First, very clear. They takes simple. One or two lines means program size. Reduced or not? Yes. First thing, they reduce the program size. Okay. When program size reduced means automatically performance high or not. And most important thing, physical memory not required. Okay. Physical memory not required. And another major important thing, no, okay, pushing, pop. Okay. No push, no pop. That means what? I'm going to explain. Watch it carefully. Now, what are the macro advantages? Means first one, they reduce the program size. Okay. They reduce program size, and due to this, performance is high, and physical memory also not required, and no push or pop. Means what? I'm going to explain one by one. Everybody, take a look on this. Take a look on this example. Here, one small thing, guys. Very small thing. I want to conduct sum of two numbers. General example. Then generally we are writing like this. int sum of, everybody observe it. Okay, add of int x comma int y. Later return x plus. Tell me guys, in this function, including bracket, how many lines are there? In addition function, including brackets, how many lines are there? 4 lines. Very good. 4-line function, no doubt. But I want to complete same example in single line. Okay, 1 minute. Take a look on this. First, I want to execute this program. Direct answer, CLR SCR, printf sum equal to percentage d comma sum of 10, 20. Sorry. Okay, add. Okay, right. Add of 10 comma 20. Now see that guys, your answer is 30 printed or not? Completed. Now tell me guys, how many lines are there? 4 lines, no? Same program, small variation. Now brackets means comments. Okay, finish it now. Now it is working or not working? See that error coming or not? Because of add function is not there. Now watch it what I am doing. Instead of this function, hash define, watch it, hash define add of x comma y. That's it. Program finish. Now how many lines? Only. Now how it is working? How it is working? It is important. In previous example, Kishore replaced it with what? And P replaced it with what? Printf na. Now add of 10 comma 20, replace it with x plus y. Because of both are same na. Logic very simple. Add of 10 comma 20, replace it with x plus y. That means what guys? 10 plus 20. They are replaced with 10 plus 20 guys. Sorry. अभी same to same. कहाँ है जी? Define कहाँ है? Before the main. Previous example में भी same. Yes, of course. 1 minute. Add of xy replaced with x plus y. Means this one replaced with 10 plus 20. Last example में भी देखो एक बार. Hash define 1 minute. Kishore replaced with main. Now Kishore replaced with main. Add of x plus replaced with x plus y. Same to same ना. Okay. 1 minute. तेरा confusion ऐसे use कर दिया. Now Kishore replaced with main. Kishore replaced with main. And add of 10 replaced with x plus y. Same है ना? Same procedure. एक बार देखो आंसर आ गया नहीं? Everybody आ गया ना? Sum equal to, but how many lines? Single line program. How many lines code? Single line program or not? That's all. Now tell me. That means macro reducing your program size. Macro reducing program size. Obviously, program size reduced means automatically performance is okay. Now, the third important point is what? Physical memory not required, I'm saying. Am I right? Physical memory not required. Why? What does that mean? Very simple. Tell me guys, in add function, x and y are what? Argument or parameter. What type of arguments? And you know that integer take how many bytes? 2 bytes. That's why x 2 bytes totally. No doubt ना? No doubt ना 4 bytes required. यहाँ बोले x comma y क्या है? Integer, float, character. बोलो. Identifier. क्या है जी? Macro का वर्क. Syntax बोलो. Macro syntax बोलो. Hash define. Identifier. Substitution. Yes or no? And then add of xy is what? Identifier a variable. And identifier replaced, I said no. That means they are variables. Huh? And variable need the memory. Variable need the not the. That means 4 bytes saved. That means physical memory not required na. Physical memory required or not required? Got it? Here 4 bytes memory required. Here no physical memory required. Got it? And that's why what is happening? It is the advantage. Watch it, guys. Right now they are not integers now. Now see this. Sum equal to percentage f 10.2 20.3. See that? काम कर रहा है नहीं कि? Yes, 100%. Why? Because now it is not integer, not float. Just substitution. That means this one replaced with 10 plus 20. Next time 10.2 plus 20.3. That means now macro is working on any data restrictions. Any data restrictions. It is working on any data or not. Okay? Because of not data type now. It is identifier only now. Okay? Next. Now third one. Now what is fourth one? What I said? No pusher. Now simple. Already example completed. Actually INTX, INTY. Generally where they are stored? Stack. And stack follows which mechanism? LIFO. LIFO consists of push and pop mechanism. First variables pushed into memory. When work is completed, popped from memory. I have given picture also. Yes or no? But here x and y variables are identifiers. Means no push, no pop, no LIFO concept. Time saved. Yes or no? First, okay. And another important thing also there. Okay. No jumping or bouncing. Only. Okay. Already just before also I have shown. Program execution jumped from calling area to definition area ना. Okay. Otherwise. Okay. बड़ा बड़ा गजनी से है ना क्लास में. दिखाऊंगा और एक बार. Okay. It is normal function now. Now it is a normal function, guys. Watch it. It is normal function. It is nothing but. And it is nothing but. Definition na? एक बार देखो. Okay. I'm going to execute this. Program starts with letter. Calling. Letter. एक बार देखो. Jumped or not. Is jumped na? Later, one by one, finally answer. Okay, it is showing the answer on the screen. Sum equal to. Clear? Next, watch it. Same example, small change. Can I say comment it is? Okay. Next same program again. Come on. Now same program. Starting with later. Calling it is. It is the, in previous example, when the function is called, what happened? Jump to the definition area or not? एक बार जतन से देखो, हो गया? नो जंपिंग, आंसर भी आ गया. ओके, एक बार देखो. ओके, सपोज यू आर गेटिंग डाउट, सर ये पुराना प्रोग्राम का आउटपुट तो गैम्बलिंग कर रहा है. हाँ, मन की बात बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ, नाउ इसीलिए चेंज कर रहा हूँ. 101 204 नंबर चेंज कर दिया. ये तो पुराना प्रोग्राम है ना, इट इज नॉट द ओल्ड वन ना. नाउ वॉच इट, एक बार जतन से देखो. प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया, मेन अगेन, लेटर CLR लेटर सम. वॉच इट केयरफुली, सम. नाउ कॉलिंग, हो गया? एनी जंप? आंसर देखो एक बार. नाउ पुराना और नया? हाँ, नया वाला ना? यस. Now tell me, any push, any jump, any coming back, time. When time saved, performance is. It is the advantage of macro. It is the advantage of. Now I am going to give one more macro also. It is very clear. Now I am going for one more macro. Add, in place of add, this time what it is? Max means finding biggest number. Okay, see that. Can I write like this? X greater than y, question mark x, colon y. Finished. If x bigger than y, written x. Otherwise written the. Okay. Generally, we have to write the program like this. If it is normal function, max of. Generally, it is the rotation. If x greater than y, written x. Else, written y. It is a regular program now. How many lines are there? 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 lines code now. But here, 1 line. एक बार देखो. Okay, I am making comment for this. Watch it, guys. Here, max equal to or percentage D. Big function name. 101 bigger, 204. Yes, obviously, it is giving same answer. 204 is big. But how many lines code? 5 lines now. This time watch it, guys. I am going to make it comment. Okay, now watch it. I am using same thing. Again, answer is in how many lines? But I want to return B is big, A is big, both are equal. Okay, then generally you have to write the program like this. Char star and return A is big, else if B greater than Y, sorry, Y greater than X, then return B is, else return both are equal. How many lines now? Now how many lines code it is? 6 lines code now. And here percentage yes. Okay, answer देखो एक बार. Right answer 204 big now. And now watch it. This time 3101. A is big now. Yes. Now see this here. For example 00. Both are equal. Right answer now. But how many lines code? 6 lines code now. Now watch it, guys. I'm deleting this. Okay. Only one line. Hash define. Simple. A is big. Colon. Y greater than X. Question mark. B is big. Colon. Both equal. And remember, macro never ends with a semicolon. Another important rule. Don't put the semicolon. Okay. Don't put the semicolon at the end of the macro. You are getting error otherwise. Okay. Now watch it. How many lines code? Only. Watch it, guys. Any error or warning? Run the program, guys. Same answer. Are you getting the? That means macro reducing the program size or not? I think everybody understood. It is how to design the macro function. That's why we are calling these are small functions. Okay, simplified functions. Actually, we can write the sum function as well as macro also, no? Max also same, no? That's okay. Next, watch it. One more simple example. Square of okay, A. Now A into A is called A square, no? A into A is called A square. Later watch it. Percentage D. Everybody observe it. Percentage D. Percentage. Okay. Now first complete this. Percentage D. Square of 10. Comma. Okay. Square of 2 plus 3. Answer is what, guys? Answer I am asking. Square of 5. 5 into 5. 2 plus 3. 5 into 5. Yes, 100% wrong answer. Answer 25, 11 only. It is the interesting thing. एक बार देखो. 25, 11. Why? Because of A into A replaced with 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 3. Into have the first priority. Not understood. This A into A replaced with 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 3. And into have the first priority now? 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3. That's all. Okay. That's why better to put a bracket. Now problem solved now. 2 plus 3 first working. 2 plus 3, 5. And again 2 plus 3 first working. Because of bracket have the first priority. Now 5 into 5. Got it? Everyone? Next, we can use nested macro also. See that? Hash define cube of A. Cube of A. Now see that square of A into A. Already square of A replaced with what? Square of A replaced with A into A. Into A cube. What, guys? Now watch it. Here, cube of 5. See that? 125 printed or not? It is called nested macro. What it is called? Calling a macro within the macro or not? That's why we are calling nested macro concept. I think everybody clear? It is how to call the macro. Next, this time the HR asked one question. INT A equal to, for example, observe it. Okay, I'm going to give like this. INT A equal to, for example, 16 by square of 4. Answer is what, guys? Easy to guess. Answer, man. What, guys? Already A value is what? 16. Square of 4 is 16. 16 by 16. Yes, 100% wrong. Answer is again 16. That's why it is an interview question. Otherwise, बच्चे भी बोल सकता. 16 by 16. Answer 1. एक बार देखो. Watch it. It is the program. A equal to 16 by square of. Tell me square of 4 replaced with A into A. Means 4 into. And division have the first priority. That means 16 by 4 first working. 16 by 4. Answer 4. Later 4 into 4 again. That's all. It is your answer. It is your answer. That's why you are getting the answer. 16 again. At least understood? That's all. Okay, right. It is about the macro concept. Next, I have given advantages only. Am I right? I have given practical examples also with okay, that is advantages. Now the HR is asking, then what are the disadvantages of macro? Watch it. Disadvantages. First thing is, okay, first thing, no control statements. That doesn't allow control statements like if, okay, if, switch, loops. No, because of macro meaning is what? Macro means simplified functions. Means 1 hour. That's why we can't use if conditions, switches, loops in macro. But without if condition, loops, how the project controlled, guys? They're called control statements. Heart of the system, I said, no? But they're not allowed. That means macros intended only for small work, not for a big work. Only for small task. Understood? Only for small task, not for big task. It is first thing. Okay. Next, another thing is no return value. Ek bar dekho. When it is normal function, I have started int max, int add. Int indicates what? Return value. Int indicates. But yahan kahan hai return? Bolo. Return value is there? No. Okay. Means macros doesn't have any return value. Okay. Next. Now, the third problem is what? No data type checking. Just before also, I have proved practically. It is working on integer data. It is working on float. Just before sum, max. Working or not? We can enter any data in macro. That means no data type checking. Okay. But in some situations, data types are very, very important or not. Okay. For example, you have to enter the salary. Your salary, they have entered ABCD. This month, मजा कर लो ABCD से. Actually salary, guys. Salary क्या है? हाँ, generally salary क्या है? Number. Salary is what, guys? Number. But the programmer by mistake entered, okay, ABCD. That means this month your salary. मजा कर लो, हाँ? ABCD से. Now tell me, macro giving any solution? No, because of macro can take any data. That's why there is no data type checking now. And last one, no syntax. Macro is having any syntax, but function is having a syntax. Return value, function name, in bracket arguments, later body. But macro having any syntax means you can write anything in macro, no error displayed. Got it? Now these are the drawbacks. That means advantages are there at the same time. Disadvantages are there. That's why they are intended or used for only for small tasks, not there for big task. They are not for big task. Okay. Now it is the macro, guys. Now the third topic is what? Okay. Just watch it. Now the third topic, conditional compilation directives. Now the third topic, conditional compilation direct. Yesterday I said, how many types are there? Preprocessor programs divided into 4 types. First, file inclusion completed. Second, macro. Now what it is? Now what is? Very simple. Very simple. See this. What is called conditional compilation directive? Just take a look on this. Very simple example, guys. Not only a hash define. Everybody just take a look on this. A value 10. Hash define B value. And one more important thing, everybody have to remember. Here, A is called what? Macro identifier. Am I right? But one important thing, it is a symbolic. Every macro is a constant. Every macro is a constant. How can you say macro is a constant? Simple. Try to change the A value. Already A value is what? Now you are trying to change ना. एक बार देखो. Error. L value required error. L value required. Where we are getting, I say? When the left side value not changeable. Discussed so many examples. When left side value not changeable, we are getting L value required error or not. Now tell me, A changeable or not changeable? I need a clarity. A changeable or not changeable? Not changeable means it is a constant or not. But you are having a solution also. What is that? You are having one simple solution. What is that? Okay. Hash undef A. It's over. Actually, it is what, guys? Define. Define means create. Define means creating. Undef. Delete. Now A is gone. Now create a fresh one. A value 20. A value 20. Now watch it. Again. Again. Error or not? Why? Because of directly it is not allowed like this. Again, hash define. A value. Now watch it. Still error is there because of this program. Still it is there, na guys. Now watch it. Any warning or error? Problem? Solved or not? Okay. Now one more important thing also I am saying. Suppose you are not using undef. Undef means delete the old A and later define means create a fresh A. Has it understood? Undef means delete the old A. Define means create fresh A. Okay. Now watch it. Any warning or error? Huh? Now see this. Undef not used. Undef not used. Working. Working. Watch it. I want to prove it practically. A equal to percentage D. A. Watch the answer. Change it or not change? Change it. But it is giving warning. See that? What is that? Redeclaration. You are again in declaring. See that? Very clearly saying or not? But warning stops the program. Warning stops the program. Never. That's a program is working, but you are getting. Now, undef is there na previously. Undef is one of the. Undef is one of the conditional compilation directive. Okay. Undef is one of the conditional compilation. Next, watch it. This time, I am going to do one thing. Right now, how many are there? Identifiers. 2 or not? As usual, we are writing like this. If A greater than B, puts off. Else if B greater than A, puts off. B is big. Else puts off. Both are. Now, no doubt, it is the correct one. Answer is what, guys? B is big. Answer B is big now. Because of 20 bigger than the 10. Got it? Right answer now? 1 minute, watch it carefully. I am going to save this program. Tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now 6 lines. In 6 lines, which one is the right answer? Only B is big. We are having so many lines or not. But which one is the right answer? B is big, na? But watch it. What happened, everybody? Watch it. Interesting thing. Now, go to OSL. In pre-processing, what is happening? See that. How to test the pre-processing? CPP. File name or not? B dot. Letter. B dot. एक बार देखो. Total program is there. Only true line is there. At least answer. Total program is there. Only true line is there. Total program na. Now watch it. This time I am going to do only one small change. Hash if. That's all. Hash if I am using. And here hash else if. L if it is. And hash else. And at last hash and if. These are called conditional compilation directives. Same. Hash if, hash else, hash else if. Here L if is there now. Normally else if. The only difference is hash and if is added. Why? Because means every hash if should have to end with. And now answer देखो एक बार. Brackets not allowed. Okay. Any warning or error? Now run this program. Answer to same hai na. Okay. Watch it carefully. Come on. Answer to same. Yes or no? But okay. Go to the OSL, CPP and B dot C. एक बार डॉट आई फाइल को देखो. पूरा प्रोग्राम है और ओनली ट्रू लाइन. Total program is there or only true part? Huh? Actually, this file is what first thing? Right now, what we are watching? Pre-processed program. .i file, guys. .i file means what? Pre-processed program. Am I right? Now tell me, in pre-processed program, all the lines are there, only true line. Only from this which file created later? OBJ file. Later which file? And OBJ. By using OBJ file, which file generated? exe file. Yes or no? Now in exe file, how many lines of code is used? Only. Then exe file size reduced. When exe file size reduced, performance is high or not, guys? That's all. It is the advantage of conditional compilation directives. When conditional compilation directives you are using in programming, true part only it takes. True part only it can. Okay. Remaining omitted means remaining never participated. That's why it is reducing the exe file size. When exe file size reduced, performance is high or not? It is the advantage of what? Conditional compilation directives. This hash if, hash else, hash and if, hash L if, all these are called conditional. And already how do you can? Undef also. Undef means next watch it. One more thing also I want to say. One more thing also there. What is that? 1 minute tell me. Right now, A declared or not declared? Declared no? Now I want to check it out. That identifier available or not available? I want to check it out. Then watch it. Hash if def. Meaning very clear. If defined. Which one is defined? A, then message A defined. Next, immediately. Okay. Okay. Now watch it. Hash and if. And before that, hash undef of A. Undef means what I said? Delete. That means after this program, A deleted or not. Next line, watch it. If you, okay, listen. Okay, now already if def, no? It is what, guys? Not defined. Then which one is not defined? Then write down A. Now you are getting both messages. Why? Because first time A available or not? Available, condition true. Then A. But immediately means A gone. Okay. If not to define. Yes, A available. Already gone means this condition also true. Then see that you are getting both answers or not. Very clear? Okay. If def, if not def. If def means if it is defined or not. If not def means not defined or not. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Now All these are called conditional compilation directives. All these are called conditional compilation direct. And the last one is there, that is nothing but miscellaneous. Okay, under conditional, what we have discussed? Hash if, hash else, hash elif, hash if def, hash if and def, hash undef, and hash end if. Am I right, guys? All these are we have covered or not? And last one, miscellaneous. Miscellaneous direct. What are the miscellaneous directives? एक बार चेक hash include some std.h void में. Now watch it, guys. One small thing is happened. Okay. 1 minute. First thing is nothing but this one, guys. The first one is nothing but hash error. In miscellaneous, the first one is error, hash error. Okay. Why we need the hash error means it allows to create our own error messages. Okay. Up to this class, we are watching only predefined errors. Am I right? But it allows to create our own error message. Watch it. Hash error. Kishore is a good boy. Yes. Okay, that's why I said error. Huh? Now tell me, Kishore is a good boy or bad boy? Bad boy. तेरे गर्लफ्रेंड को मैंने कुछ कर दिया, देन कैसे करेगा? हाँ, मैं बैड बॉय. हाँ, आई एम बैड बॉय. नंबर दे दो, कुछ करके दिखाऊंगा. हाँ, देन ओके, स्टैम्प दे दो, बैड बॉय, नो प्रॉब्लम. Right? Now tell me, yeah, Kishore is a good boy or bad boy? Okay, leave it. It is not an issue. Now the thing is, same to same error generated, watch it. Now how many errors? One error or not? And read the message also. Error directive. Okay, Kishore is a good boy. Now can I say, it is my own error message? That's all. Like this, we can create our own error message. Okay. But in real time, how it is useful? Just a hash error, just any message. But in real time, how it is? Simple. Just watch it, guys. Here, A defined or not defined? A defined. Next. But we are getting not defined error, sorry, message when, guys, in compilation or runtime? Okay. First, which one is printed? A defined. Later. But when it is printed, I am asking. Runtime. एक बार देखो, compilation में कुछ भी नहीं. Compilation में warning error display. Later, we should have to go for run में answer आ गया ना. Okay. That means you are getting the answer after execution only. Yes or no? Now एक बार देखो. That's all. Hash error. Now watch it. Execution or compilation? It is what I am asking. एक बार देखो क्या आया. Means your time saved. Your time saved, guys, because of message coming. Before the execution, there is no need to execute your program. एक बार देखो, message देखो एक बार. Error directive. Yeah. Not. When error coming, you are going to alert now. Immediately you are going to change the program. Means your time saved or not, guys. It is how the hash error is working. And the last one, okay. First one is what, guys? Now next one, hash pragma. What it is? Hash pragma. Now how the hash pragma is working. Okay. How this pragma is working. Okay. Now listen, guys, how this pragma is working, I want to show you. Okay. Just take a look on this. Very simple thing. Just watch it, guys. Very simple message. Just watch it. Hash include same program. stdio.h. Later main function. Later, okay, puts or what it may be. Hi. It's over. Okay. This program output is what? Hi, no doubt at all. Answer hi printed. Okay. Hi printed. But in compilation, you are getting one warning. See that? Error, no error. No error, warning. Anybody? Why? Wide main required. But you are going to start with only main. Only main means it represents what? Integer main. Only main meaning. But an integer main, return value compulsory. But return value where it is? That's why warning coming. Got it? Now one solution is use the return statement. Now watch it, guys. Any warning or error? Come on. But I am not going to use return. I am not going to use return. See that? Again, warning coming. But I doesn't want to display this. I doesn't want to display the warning. Then ek bar dekho. Hash pragma. Hash pragma. What it is? Warning. What warning? Okay. Return value warning. Actually, warning is about what? Return value, na? And now the meaning, suppress the return value warning. Means don't show the return value. Now ek bar dekho. Gaya. Now any warning? Come on, guys. Right now any warning is there? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, guys. Now, no warning, no? Next, watch it, guys. This time, one more message. int x. Can I say it is parameter? Main is having the parameter, na? But that parameter, I have used it in program. Then again, warning, see that? Parameter x is never used warning. See that very clear? It is saying very clearly, parameter x visible. Parameter x is what it is? Warning. What it is? Warning. But warning never going to stop the program now. Yes. See that? Answer to same to same. Answer to same to same. But I doesn't want to display that warning. Again. Warning. Parameter warning. PAR. PAR means? Okay. Compilation. Problem solved? Everyone? Right. Next, watch it. This time, okay. For example, return 0. Return 0 means what? Close the program. Value, we leave it. Return ka meaning kya hai? Return back. Come back now. Means its meaning main program closed. 1 minute I am having small doubt. When return is working, remaining statements working or not working? No. That means puts working or not working. Then answer is what? Blank screen. See that? Answer blank screen or not? Say yes or no. But the system is giving again warning. See that? What is that watching? Unreachable code. Because of system knows after return statement, remaining program not working. That's why system is giving warning to you. I am not able to reach that line. See that? Correct or not? What is saying? Unreachable. Very clearly saying no. Now I want to cancel this one. Hash pragma. Now warning. What warning? RCH. Reachable warning. It is saying reachable warning now. Now see that? Any warning or error? That's all. That means by using pragma, we can suppress the warning message or not? Yes. By using pragma, we can suppress the warning message, no doubt at all. Is it clear? Up to this, everyone clear? Next, watch it. Not only that one. Now, interesting thing, watch it. For example, generally day starts with what, guys? Good morning. Why to begin? Now puts offer. Good morning now. Generally, guys. Okay. Next. Later, day ends with what? Good night now. Yes. One is good morning. One is and beach mein good afternoon. Okay. Now watch it. Generally, good afternoon. Okay. And now this one also adding. Good evening. Is it clear now? Okay, right. 1 minute, watch it carefully. How many functions are there? 3 functions. Begin, end, main. Watch it carefully. We are having totally, including main, 3 functions. One is begin, one is end, one is the main or not. Okay. But in main, which one is called only? Good afternoon, good evening. In main, which one is called, guys? Good afternoon. And where is the good morning? In begin function, where is the good night? But they are called or not called? No. See that answer is only this one or not. CLR SCR. CLR SCR is there now. Now watch it, guys. What we are having. Good afternoon and good evening or not? Yes. That means remaining 2 functions working or not working. Come on. Why? Because of their not called or not. Yes. Now watch it. I am calling that. What it is? What it is? Now, before entering into the main, which function? And before closing, end or not? Now they go. 4 lines. Good morning, good afternoon, evening. Night or not? Means all they are working or not working. But when they are working, when they are called, then only they are working. Yes or no? But I am not going to call. I am not calling. But I want to execute them. I am not calling, but I want to execute. Okay? And when I want to execute, one is before the main, one is before closing the main. One is before the main, one is before closing the. Then watch it. Again, same procedure. Hash, pragma, startup. The meaning very clear. Startup means beginning. Startup का meaning क्या है जी? Begin. Which function is called? Now hash pragma. End up. Okay? Thumbs up, close up. वो तो startup, ये तो end up. What a creativity, huh? Exit. Closing is called exit. Right. Now meaning very clear, na? Yes, startup में which function working? Begin. And exit में. Exit means when the main program is going to close. Okay. And now see this. Before entering into the main, begin function. Before closing the main, end function, guys. Is it clear? Watch it. Working or not, just watch it. Program completed. The program completed or not? Now that means without directly calling the functions also, we can call the functions using pragma or not. That's all. Okay. It is how the pragma is working. And what are the preprocessor programs available means this one. Got it? Now we have discussed all the 4 types or not. Okay. File inclusion, macro, conditional, and last one. Okay. Miscellaneous. Under miscellaneous. Okay. That's all. It is how to work with preprocessor programs. Okay. Tomorrow, the most important chapter, structures. Okay, most important chapter, structure, guys. Because of nowadays, everything is object oriented. Am I right? Your Java, .NET, Python, C++. That is with this only. Structure based. Tomorrow I'm going to explain that. Until that, take care and bye bye, guys.